Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to text any bibliographic information that you want. So like if you want to get a call number for a book that's in the library, you can always just text it to yourself, so you don't have to write down a piece of paper or anything. So after you do your search and you find a result that you want to text to yourself, then you just click on the ellipsis button here for more actions. And there we have the SMS button. And then here you would just put in your phone number, and then select your carrier. And then you would just click send. And then you should receive a text message with the call number and the book title.